PM Modi will be on a two-day visit to Samarkand in Uzbekistan from tomorrow to attend the 22nd meeting of the Council of Heads of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. PM Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah greet nation on Hindi Divas. In a tweet, Modi extended his greetings to all those people who have contributed tirelessly in making Hindi prosperous and empowered. In Goa, 8 Congress MLAs joined BJP today. Former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, former Minister Michael Lobo, and other Congress MLAs joined BJP. In Jammu and Kashmir, at least 11 people died and several others were injured after a bus they were travelling in met with an accident in Saujan area of Poonch district today. In Duran Cup, Mohammedan Sporting will take on Mumbai City FC in the semi-final at Kolkata. The match will be played at Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Kridangan this evening.